The service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of Armstrong County Office of Emergency Management for Northern Armstrong County. At 3:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 4 miles southeast of Claude, moving rapidly east at 3 to 5 miles per hour. Areas impacted: Highway 287 east of Claude. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke.